In Lesson 2, we will discuss about transform tools in After Effects. It is the mega important tool for motion graphics in After Effects. We make a new composition in After Effects and draw a pink color box to learn different variation of transformation. When we draw a new object on screen, new layer add on timeline automatically, and its values and technical specifications start to show along the bottom left side of timeline. If you see in highlighted box, here our transform is showing. When we click the layer on timeline or click on object, its transform values will activate. When you deselect the object or layer, transform value will be hide. Anchor point. Now let's move on and talk about the different parts of the transform. First, let's learn about the anchor point. Anchor point is center point of any object. It is backbone in object. Importance of anchor point will be more clear when we will discuss rotation tool and 3D movement of object. If you see here, two values are indicated along anchor point. We can change the location of anchor point with help of this values. Left side values for left to right and right to left movement. If we decrease the value, anchor point will move to left side, and then we increase the values, then anchor point will move to right side. Similarly, right side values control the upward and downward movement. You can change the values by help of mouse or can put the value by keyboard typing. We can change the position of anchor point by help of mouse also. Select the anchor point from top toolbar or press shortcut key Y. Now by help of mouse we can change the position. You can put anchor point in any location, left side or right side. Next is position in transform window. Here are also showing two values: left side control, left to right, and right to left movement. Similarly, right side value control upward and downward movement. Now we increase the left side values. Object is moving right side. Then we decrease the values. Object is moving left side. You can use mouse for this purpose or directly put the values by keyboard. Right side values will use for upward and downward movement. We can change the position of this box by help of mouse. Choose the selection tool from top menu bar or press shortcut key V. You can move freely by help of movement of mouse. Next segment is scale. If we reduce the value of percentage, our object will become small, and on increasing the values, object will become large. You can change the size by help of selection tool also. Choose selection tool, and by help of left and right button of mouse, you can make the variation in size. Second last is rotation. When you want to rotate the object, you can change the angles in clockwise or anti-clockwise. As we go along, we come across a very important topic. If we change the location of the anchor point, the condition of rotation of our object will change also. Opacity is also an important tool in motion graphics. When we decrease the percentage, object visibility will decrease also. This is the basic introduction of Transform tool. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon also. Our next article will be motion graphics with 3D features. Thanks for watching.